8K at 50 frames per second. Do mod in senso, a completely redesigned, much smaller body, and a massive price hike. The first real look at the Insta360 X6 just leaked courtesy of WinFuture, and it confirms that this is not just another minor yearly update. Insta360 is completely rethinking its flagship camera to take the fight directly to GoPro and DJI. But with a smaller screen and a higher price tag, is the X6 actually worth the wait? Let's break down the leaked spec sheet. Let's start with the most obvious change, the physical design. For the first time since the original Insta360-1X, we are getting a fully redesigned shape. The X6 ditches the tall, rectangular candy bar style for a much shorter, squarer, and lighter frame. It looks a lot closer to the GoPro Max or the DJI Osmo 360. Why does this matter? Weight distribution. When you mount a tall camera to a helmet or a selfie stick, it gets top-heavy and wobbly. This new compact design fixes that completely. The only downside? A noticeably smaller touchscreen. To compensate, Insta360 has added digital on-screen buttons for recording and lens switching, alongside brand new physical buttons on the side, including a dedicated power switch and a record toggle that the X5 didn't have. A camera this compact usually struggles with audio, but Insta360 appears to have massively upgraded the microphone array. Right above the screen, there are two new microphones, another one tucked below the lens, and two more on the sides. If you vlog or ride motorcycles, this 360-degree audio capture could be a game changer for cutting out wind noise. Now, let's get into the main event, the camera sensors. This is where the X6 becomes an absolute powerhouse. The X6 will be powered by dual 42-megapixel 1/1.1-inch sensors. For reference, the X5 used smaller 1/1.3-inch sensors that maxed out at 30 frames per second in 8K. The new X6 pushes 8K 360-degree video to a butter-smooth 50 frames per second. You also get massive 120-megapixel 360 photos. If you want to use it as a traditional single-lens action camera, it can push 5K at 60 frames per second or buttery 4K at 120 frames per second for ultra-slow motion. According to the WinFuture report, the X6 also supports 10-bit color, Dolby Vision, and iLog formats for heavy color grading. A smaller body and 8K 50 frames per second video sounds like a recipe for a dead battery, right? Surprisingly, no. The leaked specs show the battery performance is actually improving. According to the report, the X6 will be able to record for up to 230 minutes. To put that in perspective, the X5 maxed out at 208 minutes. That means Insta360 managed to squeeze an extra 20 to 30 minutes of recording time into a significantly smaller camera body. So it's smaller, faster, shoots better video, and lasts longer. What's the catch? The price. According to the European retail leaks, the X6 will see a €100 price increase. The base X6 model is expected to launch at €700, and the Essentials package will set you back €800. The X6 definitely sets the bar incredibly high for 360 cameras, but its competitors are going to win on price. So I pass the question to you. With the upgraded 1-inch class sensors and 8K 50 frames per second, is the X6 worth the premium price tag, or are you picking up a discounted X5 instead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the official review when this camera drops. And I'll see you in the next one.